All right, welcome back to this channel again. This is Efogo Joseph, your anchor man at the free genuine airdrops. If you have heard about magnet ecosystem, this video will show you everything you need to know if you don't have deep understanding of the magnet ecosystem, especially starting with the magnet clicker bot, which is one of the over 20 products you have in the ecosystem. So before we go ahead to show you what the clickable is all about, I would like you to hit the subscribe button so that anytime new videos are uploaded here, you'll be notified and you can have access to the video. All right, thank you. Having done that, let's move ahead to our video. So let's quickly go to Telegram to see what the magnet clickable is all about. All right, here we are in our on our Telegram page. So let's quickly look at where we are going to work. Okay, this is the link to the crypto magnet, which is the magnet auto clicker or the magnet clicker bot that you need to study. So let's open it and you hit the play button. You can see two play buttons at the lower part. One is just the plain one and the other one is in blue button. So any of them can work. Just touch any of them and you open. Well, actually, before you get to that place, if you are entering for the first time, you will also be redirected the usual way that you were redirected to any of these Telegram airdrops you have been mining. You click on the you click on the referral link and you are brought here directly. So on getting to this place, you just click and they ask you to join the group, join channel. You just do that. So after you've done that, you come back again, you open using the play button and so on and so forth. Now, you can see here that there is something already showing in front of this screen, which is this. Okay, this is what have in mind for me. It simply says claim passive rewards. So I joined this just some hours ago, and within a space of these few hours, this bot have been able to mine 28,000 coins for me. So I'm going to claim them now. All right, they have been claimed. And presently I have 29,716. I'm sure that shouldn't be a surprise to you because I mentioned that within a few hours I have mined 28,000. When I joined, here was reading 250 only. So my profit per hour was just 250, but presently it is 6,908. That is why you see that my coin level has actually reduced in this level at this level. So it shouldn't be a surprise to you. All right, now that we are here on Magnet, we are going to be using this particular button to mine our coins. You click on them, and if your coin have been loaded, you will see this here. Presently, I have 3,005 over 3,005. It means that for every of these that have been loaded, there are about 3,005 coins that I need to click and claim. So you will use this button to click them and claim them. So let's just demonstrate it. So as you are clicking, you can see it is going 5-5. So what does that show you? It simply means that what we are seeing here is what is playing out per profit tap, 5 of them. So as I click, 5 coins would be released per touch. So if I'm using 5 fingers to tap, you will be seeing about 25 of that coming out. Okay? You will see about 25 of that coming out. Can you see that there are actually not just here? You can see that different coins are coming out or whatever in different directions. So for every tap, you have 5 of them coming out at that rate. So if you want to increase that, how do you do it? If you want to increase the number of coins you will be tapping at a stage, you just come here and click on this one that says boost. So let's boost and see. Okay, you can see here in this boost area, there are 3 important buttons: energy level 2, multi-tap, and restore energy. If I click restore energy, Because I'm currently using 3,500 per load, the system will be loaded immediately to give me that if I am due for it, because they are supposed to be 6 times per 24 hours. So presently, I have 3/6 left for me. So if I click that, the coin will be loaded. But if I click the multi-tap, that one we are seeing five tap per, 5 coins per tap will give you this. Then if I also touch this, the energy level would increase. So that energy level is the one that is showing you the 3,500. The 3,500, I can move it from there again to 4,000. I can move it again from 4,000 to 4,005. So we're going to be demonstrating this right now. So let's start with the restore energy. Before we restore energy, let's go back to our front page and see how many coins are left on tap. We can tap it and then demonstrate. We touch home button and you can see that there are 2,321 coins. So let me just see and if I can tap out some of them before I go back to tag that restore energy. So let's just quickly do that and see. So presently we have 200 something, something, and okay, zero. Now, if I go to the boost and touch it and click the restore energy and get it for free, okay, you go back again to home, you see that it has been refilled. That is exactly what that button is doing for you. You can now see that we have 3,005 over 3,005. So you can click that. Now, the next one is to go back to that boost and touch the multi-tap, which is number 2. The one you are seeing soft a finger putting a hand inside a hole. You just touch there. Can you see that? Now, for me to increase to the next level, I need 2,000 coins to do that. So I'm going to buy 2,000 coins. So that has been done now, okay? That has been subtracted from my total. So let's go back to the home button. Do you see what has happened now? This has increased from 5 to 6 because I added multi-tap by one level. All right, let's go back to the boost again. And then we'll try the next one, which is the energy level. And we're in level 2. We'll touch it again and it requires 2,000 coins to buy that level. So let's buy. All right, we have bought that. Go back to home button and then look at this place again. You remember the last time we had 3,500 here. Now it has gone to 4,000. So those are the things you use your boost to get. All right. Having done that, let's look at other ways we can increase our earnings here. So we hit the task button. All these buttons are the lower part: task, mine, home, friends, and airdrop. So we touch the task button. You can see here we have the daily reward. Anytime you come here, these are what is lined up for you. First day you have 500 coins, second day 1,000, third day 2.5 thousand, fourth day 5,000, up to the seventh day you have 100,000. That's how it works. Today I already tapped my, and that's why showing come back tomorrow. So let's touch come back tomorrow and leave the page. Okay. Now we have to look at the next button, which is the mine button. Stay on this lower part of your page. Your mine button, the one that has a jigger or a picker as an icon. All right, there are several coins, several cards there that you need to buy. Why do you need to buy this card? I started by telling you that my per hour earning was 250. That's 250 when I came in, but now it is 6,908. It means that it has increased by over 6,500. Okay, so each time you buy a card here, the sum that is the card represent will be credited to increase that per hour, and that as you keep buying and buying, every time you come back, you will see that what the bot is mining for you will keep increasing. When we came in, we saw what it kept for me that I claimed from the beginning of this video. All right, so let's quickly look at how many of these coins are available that we can buy. You can see that all these cards are all open except maybe one or two. Okay, you can see this magnet. the ones that have padlock on top of it, and magnet, ecosystem magnet, then marketing magnet, they are all not open. Those are the only three cars that are not open here. All other cars are all open. The one you can see yellow dots by their side, they are all open. Okay, turn is not open yet. So all of those ones that are showing two yellow dots by their side, they are all open. It means that you can buy any of them. So let's buy number one now, which is 1 inch. You click on it and it opens, and it is going to give you plus 18. That it means that when you buy this, for 18 more hour per profit will be added to what you already have. But you are going to pay with 450 coins. So you click the upgrade. Now it has been bought. Okay. Now our per hour has increased to 6,926. Okay. If we buy another card again, we move from that 6,926 to what has just been added to. Let's buy safe part, the next card here. Safe part is going to give us 25. So we add it. Okay. Can you see now that our per hour has increased to 6,951? All right, that is how you are going to be buying all your car. But before we finish, let's quickly look at one small confusion that you might meet, and you may not know how to solve this thing. If you look at these cards, if you look at the turn, the one that is still locked, it says to unlock, upgrade Telegram to level 12. This is Telegram. Telegram is currently at level 8, which is here, at level 8. So if you buy level 9, level 10, and you start seeing level 12, that is when this card will automatically open that you can buy it. Do you understand? That if you want to buy magnet coin too, it says to unlock, upgrade Matic to level 5. So you have to look for Matic and see where it is now. And try and buy it also. Okay, this is Matic. Matic is currently at level 3. Okay, Matic is currently at level 3. So before we can buy, let's buy Matic to level 4. We upgrade to level 4. Is done, and then we buy it again. We just wait for like 10 seconds, because usually 10 seconds before you can buy another one again. You can see the minute hand reading or whatever. Okay, now we'll buy it again and upgrade to level 5. Okay, now that we have upgraded to level 5, let's scroll to, okay, you can see that the magnet has opened. It has automatically opened. So you can now buy one by paying 500 coins and get 352 per hour. Okay, now look at our per hour, and it has gone to 7,399. All right, that is how you are going to be increasing your hourly rating or your hourly earning, so that at the end of the day you are able to get a lot. So we click on friends now and see. So here is the place where you have friends. Ordinarily, you are required to just bring 3 persons as your first line, your first down line, and then each person you bring in will give you about 2,500 coins. Now I have 3 friends, and that is why you are seeing 7,500 here. So by the time you move down here, you can see those 3 friends. Okay, you can see the 3 of them on this lower part. So for you to be able to bring your friend, you need to use this. Just click on this one and copy it. If you want to get your friend from, maybe from Facebook or from WhatsApp or from any other place, or even on mail, you just paste the link there and give it to your friend. But if you want to bring your friend from Telegram, you will click this one, and this one will automatically link you to the Telegram area. Then you scroll and touch that particular friend. Once you just click on it, your link will be pasted on the chat interface immediately you send. So those are the important things you can be doing. So remember that when you come here, you need to click every day to collect your coins from here. And then you also need to go and perform tasks, daily reward, you collect your daily reward. Then, and you need to get your friends also to join you. And then the last one is the airdrop. The airdrop will be coming soon. Remember that the magnet ecosystem has so many things to offer. Like I said from the beginning, over 20 products. So just wait patiently. From time to time, other things will be unveiled that will enable you to make passive income. So magnet is one of the best ecosystems so far compared to other airdrops you are mining that will just give you only one thing. But here you have so many places, so many things you will be doing to earn passive income. So if you find this video helpful, remember to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And God bless you. Thank you. I see you again in our next video.